Here's a song I written. It's called Blues Train.
Yay, thank you.
Johnny's in the corner of the station bar, got them blues so bad they believe his job. He took a sip of painlessness, when it's so going well as anyone's guess. He was young, he loved, and he really needed her. But the daddy said, boy, leave town, we're gonna put you in the ground. So here he is sitting, waiting at the station, waiting for the blues train to take him away. And them blues keep falling down like rain. All aboard on that blues train. He could hear the whistle blowing like a banshee wail. It was that blues train coming on down the rail. Hey, barkeep, some sweet anesthesia. I sure wish my little Billy Joe were hearing them blues. He keep rolling down like rain. Banshee wail. It was that blues train coming on down the rail. Hey, Marky, another of the same, 'cause I'm the only lonely boy catching this train. And them blues, they keep a falling down like rain.